Hey, yo, what's up again? It's your boy Shizzy from Lifestyle Podcast. Today, we're back again. Jigile sikhona bafethu.
Back njengomhlanje.
Sikhona. Juice.
Yes sir.
What's up?
No, nothing much, man.
Siphethe ugweja namhlanje.
Yeah, siphethe ugweja.
Real life gweja ikona la
ngoma TikTok.
Esibona ama comment la.
Ngimele ugweja bonke labo gwejelini iZimbabwe ingaka.
Yes.
Asimntu omncane mangilapha namhlanje.
The only gweja ole mali.
The only gweja.
Okay, it's quality.
The only gweja ongafihliyo umuntu weqiniso.
Yesaya.
Yeah.
Asiyabonga namhlanje gweja sithela namhlanje si-invite njengoba ubone into kwenzakaleni na previous episode lo
futhi urepresenta ogweja.
Mina njengogweja madoda vele ngizothi siqale kumbe siqale empameni. Ngoba into lena liyenzileyo ayisithabisanga ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Kodwa into esuke yangathi yanthinta kancane ukuthi linali ngabantu engilaziyo nje siyazana ngithi. Kodwa lisuke kanjani latshengisa inhlonipho ngokuzehlisa.
Yeah, khona by doing this episode kahle kakhulukazi sifuna ukuzehlisa sihloniphe sixolise njalo kumphakathi la ku FFG
kakhulu ama fans
kakhulukazi kuma fans labo gweja labo fazi babo gweja
especially ogweja
siyaxolisa mfana we not safe anymore wherever we go
siyalidabula amakhanda straight ngoba into lebeliyenzile ugweja madoda and thina masingogweja asijabuli mamunye ugweja sephanjanisa.
But don't get something wrong. Unkolisa wethu so like kumbe siyabasabo gweja.
No, we scared of none of them. We respect them.
And thina lathi nje abogweja asikuthi sesawa thina nje abogweja zabantu uthatha lokanti uthaniso izinto lokhu lahlele kachana. Kodwa lami mbuyile ngathi agweja senzoba mele ukuthi hayi abafana abanjani
peace machines
peace for gwejelini sehla sisiyakhona
because it's been crazy, bro. This past week it's been crazy, bro. On the comment section you can check, but the funny thing is that people have been coming to our inboxes, bro.
Yeah, beza kuma inbox bakhuluma noma yini bebekhuluma.
Saying
very fortunate mina bengaphenduli
right
some of the things,
and even I was advised not to even go through the comment section, but then
ukungaphenduli yabona kusitshengise njengabantu bogweja njengabantu ade sikhomenta thina kusitshengisa ukuthi no these guys labo sebenanzelile ukuthi hayi into liyana bahambe banyathele eceleni ngoba thina indlela vele ade sifuna ukuyibamba njengabogweja ngathi njengobulawayo indlela ade sifuna ukuyibamba ngayo indaba leyo thina besifuna ukuyiphatha ukuthi vele i-lifestyle podcast siyayivala
mana ngiyabona a lot of comments cha sivaleni le podcast yakiva ayikhoto sibali la sivalo la mnyango le
manje la sivalwa
this one doesn't have a door
ivalwa straight
ithi ngifake ibe clear door
yes
even in the next 100 years le ayivalo.
The only person who can close this shit is uNkulunkulu.
UNkulunkulu besiyivala. Mina njengommeli wabogweja ngike ngakhuluma labafana bami lapha bembesa umayini ukuthi no madoda kulo mfana othiwa nguChizo sevele sehlupha lapha ehlupha umali yesigweja cause thina nje abogweja vele bese sinyanyile ukuthi uhlangana laye straight vele bekulihloka ukuhlangana laye but ngasuka ngabona mina njengomuntu omkhulu umuntu oyaziwayo ukuthi hayi
uyaziwamba
mana ngiqale ngifike umphakathi wonke uyangazi ibulayo yonke uyangazi ongangaziyo nje uyabeqala ukumbona
ongayaziyo mele yaziswe
ongaziyo mele ngimazise
anyway sabonga for everything for everything. The biggest thing that you want to do is to xolisa ku FFG more than anybody.
Not actually to xolisa because in FFG we sorted out
this thing out
because in the first place it was never a beef. So no FFG
bese grand bese sharp nje
even beli grand lo FFG but manje kumele libe grand la thina umphakathi because uFFG la akasilutho singekho thina uyamthola so manje kumele libe grand lo mphakathi libe kwazi ukuthi mina ngilapha nje ngimele ogweja lebulayo yonke ukuthi no amajita ngilawo 99 axolisa makuhlula uthi lisixolise lathi njengomphakathi sithathe linyatheli
linganyatheli zinathi namaleni bayi
izonyathela lapho nganyathela khona.
Anyways,
okay.
Yeah.
The biggest thing we wanna do is to
let's try and get in touch with them if it's possible on our podcast like live.
Kube lithela imbona ngene eminyango la vele la dopa amafoni FG usekhona ummeli wabo Gweja.
It's celebrity pero FG you might not even know
celebrity.
Okay, ngicela ukukhuluma la FG.
Ringa naye
final loudspeaker cheese if he's going to answer.
Okay. But definitely he's going to answer. Me and FG always talk.
Yeah, we've been good books always.
Imali Gweja belisiphambanise.
Just show the camera cheese. We want to fail. Maybe babe sithi umbe.
Yes, FG. Feb.
Sure.
Come on, mngani.
Hayi mina nje otherwise Timbo.
Ngishap. Kuyavuma ukuthi ngibambe ngo-video caller.
Vid call akuvumi ndoda.
Okay, we are live in the podcast, man.
It's the Lifestyle Podcast.
Yeah. It's the Lifestyle Podcast Feb kulo mmeli wabo Gweja.
Hey, yo, Feb.
Yo, sure.
Yeah, we are live, dog.
Yeah, fresh madoda nthini.
Hey mfethu, hayi mfethu. Siyazi ukuthi sinyathelene kabi lapha in our previous episode so nje mesh umphakathi ubonela unyanya fucked up, unyanyile umphakathi. Everyone is angry at us, dog. So
but it's not about umphakathi at the end of the day, it's about you and us.
And us, understand? I wanna just
no. You can't just say you and us.
So Jeremy, kahle the main thing we wanna do is to reboot the relationship that we destroyed. Hello?
So madoda. Nyalizwa madoda, nyalizwa.
Yeah. Of course. We're doing this. Ngusixolile ukuthi sifake live ngoba senzela umphakathi ngomphakathi uyowasijikela lapho wasifukela. So sithe sishaye live.
Khona hey. Ngisukela kanjani umuntu engakwenzanga nix?
Uxolo bhuti omdala, uxolo kuphambanisekile lapha ya. We never thought it's gonna go that way.
But nakhona nje. Nakhona namanje phansi nje libhekile yonke lento aliboni ukuthi waseqaleni before you even posted belingayiboni because kumanje mina nale ngifonela uGroupman wenu bese ngifonele of course umuntu engimhloniphayo like wakufanga yakhe indlela ukuthi mhlawumbe asongena amabizo abantu abaningi ukuthi kunobani owathi lenze kanje and stuff like that ulwa nami ngayala ukumanage and stuff like what's going on guys?
No, unfortunately some things Feb we can say
it's live, understand?
Yeah, we can say
live
but
for the
on our podcast but
okay let's liwarisha ngomphakathi and you are telling me ukuthi some things you can't say but kuyafana musi into le ngabe liyenzile lithunywe ngulo muntu yalisebenzela walisebenzisa lani into yakhona yasebenza in his favor kumanje ngabe mina uhambani ngami nabantu bayibhayi into yakhona ngabe kumanje uhambani ngami le career yonke lento like layicabanga nje.
Yeah, the reason why sisiza kuwe back mngani wami yabo ukuthi sifuna ukuthi senze sure ukuthi i-career yakho iqhubekela phambili without us interfering it. Lokuthi njalo sama ukclear ama doubts mhlawumbe ongaba lawo ngathi understand. You might think maybe abafana mhlawumbe bafuna ukundonsela phansi pulling me down or something like that. No, we're not asikho lapho mngani wami. Njengoba ubhuti omdala njengoba usisho ukuthi ubhuti omdala ukwakhuluma laye wokuchazela ukuthi hayi abafana ngokuhamba so that thing otshela ngibhuti omdala yeah it's true indlela kwahamba ngayona bhuti omdala.
So ngiyabona ukuthi
unfortunately
ifuna i-podcast yenu ibe i-platform yomuntu ozodiliza abaculi bakobulawayo.
Yo, Feb.
No, Bhuti Mdala, ayikho ngaleyo ndlela,
Feb, can you listen?
Yeah.
So the thing is, unfortunately, Tina, that's our job. We get information and we try and dig into that information. And unfortunately, on our episode, on our interview, we couldn't do that because my temper is already say high. You see, the tension was already there. So we couldn't like get deeper into like the conversation. But actually, you know, we received some information and we heard some things. And unfortunately, we couldn't like dwell into that because you decided to leave the podcast. And unfortunately, but now that's why we are calling Tina to like try and make things right.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah. Kulungile madoda, kulungile. But now I think as much as unomuntu le-approach-leyo engumuntu oza ne-agenda yokuzodiliza abaculi bakobulawayo abangathi bazama ukuthi bavuselele nabantu sebesupporta kumanje. Yonke into leyo I think kuzomela ifake emphakathini madoda. Caca ukuthi lina liko against abaculi abaziphakamelayo njengathi because mina ngizile ku podcast because collaborate understand ukuthi sikhulisane sakhane lift as you rise yangithola ikukhulisana nami ngiyaphakama ngikhulisa abanye nani niyaphakama
because you know Feb, that's our goal. Yeah.
Abantwana bakobulawayo but ukulungiswa ngomlomo madoda besides yangazi na mhlawumbe onke umuntu unama reasons wakhe akwenzela iart and why nokuthi sukaphi yonke lento mina ngiyayihlonipha which is why I always make sure ukuthi icraft yami engiyenzayo it uplifts, it inspires, understand. So masomele engage ku drama and stuff disturb and even if I wish sometimes kuba nzima because of my beliefs and
because
athi yami enyabe isuka khona ngiyithatha ngiyisa khona ukuthi mhlawumbe ayikho into engibambele and uRubani umentionile lapho ubhutweni ukuthi hayi kunento ekanje uyabona abafana inkinga kodwa nani futhi ukuthi wangu liyaqhubeka kanjalo bafowethu wayengangitshelanga yonke into abaphela lapha umuntu okanje before we went live on because manje yonke lento involve umphakathi.
Lapho kube liphutha elikhulu Bhuti Mdala. Esithanda ukuthi into esicela kakhulu ukuthi sixolele.
Wakhuluma ngilalele la.
Bese kahle into esicela kakhulu Bhuti Mdala to make this the whole story short ne ukuthi sixolele ngoba to be honest as much as you can see what's happening now I'm sure la usuka thola ama inbox amaningi kakhulu angithi asekho safe Bhuti Mdala don't wanna lie sesingakhuluma kube ngathi ijoke nje as we speaking we're not safe anymore. And manje yabona kusenzakala izinto ezikanje kusasa kuyethwa uFFG sent abantu ukuthi bezonjani bezodestroy ABCD understand wes abantu esidila labo abantu mhlambe abayibo abangathi bafusa attack ngabantu aba dangerous understand so kusasa ungaphuma kuthiwa uFFG uthumela abantu ukuthi besha ucheese lo juice abafana be lifestyle podcast into njengalezo yabo which gonna be a bad thing maybe on your side, you understand? So by doing this, by asking for the forgiveness, we're not just trying to balance our own side, we're also trying to save somewhere and your career together with the family, understand?
Yeah.
So more than anything Bhuti Mdala besicela ukuthi understand nje singabafana bakho
ngiyaphinda ukuthi
break. Okay, Feb, ngicela ukubamba after this episode, man. Thank you very much.
So,
Okay, Bafethu. That's the thing, Bafethu. I just wanted to address emphakathini ukuthi hayi thina lo uFebu siyakhuluma la before and now sikhuluma la nje sama ukuthi tinqolo sibuyelane lo sibe right.
Yeah, and what I'm saying is people they're busy circulating. You were trending this past week, bruh.
Big time.
Like it or not, for the wrong reasons. And now they're just taking this thing, they don't even know what happened.
Abanye ngabathatha bathathela izinto phezulu.
Now we know what happened.
Because
what happened lina lithuka uFebu ngumuntu wethu okobulawayo osathuthuka okhulayo nje simfisela ifuture. And manje na uFebu echayelelwa phansi thina njengomphakathi sizwa kanjani because lapha eBulawayo we silomzo nguyimzo kuphela simazi and manje uFebu is trying to raise ngiyambhulela phansi and they expect ukuthi thina njengomphakathi sizwa kanjani.
Yeah, I understand. But into enzakalayo ukuthi it's not like uFebu besifuna it was our
it's never intention, bro.
Ukuthi usibe kule situation esikuyo lo FFG.
No.
We never thought ukuthi abantu bazo react ngendlela aba react ngayo. And kulabantu there are some people out there who got it twisted. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Labantu abathe bebona amunye umuntu maybe efaka inhlamba wathuka lapha ku comment section la is just going there sefaka nje sethuka nje akwazi to ukuthi uyacheka le account yangikhona ayisebenzi lokusebenza omunye le account maybe kwamavuzo uyi2000 is against us.
When it comes to indaba yokuthuka le lami angivumi isiphambanisile
yeah
thina bekumele sibuye kuhle njengami Mbui mina ngisuke kachana kakhulu ngabuya ngathi no ngizozwisisa kini ukuthuka phela asikho kusolve ukuthi lina lizoba grand but manje sesimfonela uFebu sesikwazi ukuthi lani selinjani selikusame flow lo FFG.
Okay, listen to this audio yebo befethu thina sikho safe I don't know lie. Listen to one of our sisters, big sisters. I'm going to mention igama lakhe, but it's one of the big sisters who social media kunala.
Well done. Yeah, but talk to me. You're safe, Umbenjan. Are you safe or what? No, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, I guess one way or the other, Vele, you needed to come out and Uti bring this apology. But how did it go?
This sister yabo utata wethu unobantu understand ubone actually she was following up what was happening understand then wabona ufakele message after releasing a video ngisenze apology to the public understand so uyabona ukuthi bakhona abantu abasikhathalelayo yabona yeah, thank you, sister, for that. Sister Nobantu, thank you for the love and everything.
Yeah.
For bringing us back together with FFG. It's one of the sisters who's good to come down umlilo. Even if go kuma poster poster a lot about us, understand? Like sister like ukuzela ukuthi abantu benjani bagrow together, understand? But there's one thing I want to mention. I will never leave this thing. Have you noticed ukuthi people from our place like Kobulawayo ngithi they tend to participate makumoshakele.
Exactly.
Understand? If we did good, understand?
No one was gonna know.
No one was gonna know. No one was gonna stand up and do anything to
post.
Yeah, understand? To post something, understand?
Yeah, right.
But kusho ukuthi abantu vele bagqugquzela ukuthi kube le controversy hlala ngathi kuyashaywana ngathi kuyaxatshana which is not good. Ngicela ukuthi kusasa ngithi kusasa lawa ku support someone who is trying to grow ngithi engafightanga with anybody what you did to us here.
Yeah.
This khombisa ukuthi you guys, you sharp, you're gonna support, you're gonna make this social media
for
thing.
all the wrong reasons.
You understand? Exactly. So, ngiyaxolisa lapha mfethu.
But don't apologize, it's a fact.
Yeah, come on, it's a fact.
It's a fact.
Uyabona lapha mfowethu la uyibambe engekhanda. Because I remember last month, I opened my studio there at Pioneer House.
Yeah.
Angitholanga vini support yabantu ngaposta ama pictures ama video ku TikTok ukuthi no so and
Angitholanga
not even one
ngena ku social media bet. And another thing yabona abantu from Bulawayo kanje they don't understand ngithi aba understand in social media thing, understand. Angazi kumbe industry leyo ayikho best here or angazi to what's wrong, what's the problem. Akula entertainment ko Bulawayo jo. There's no entertainment.
Uyabona
entertainment industry. Isn't just fucked up dog.
Ko Bulawayo into ekhona ko Bulawayo yazina.
Yeah. Mangugwethu.
Ukuthi ungantshala lapha nyokugamla ikhanda.
Ogwethu.
Ngogwetja lawo. Bulawayo sigcwele ingqondo yesigwetja. Sokule ngqondo liyana nothi isigwetja singathi isigwetja sokugcwele ingqondo liyana yokuthi thina ko Bulawayo sifuna ukuminyezelana emkotweni ukuthi mina ngingacabanga ukuthi semfuthi ukuthengisa amatamatisi makhelwane la ukuthengisa amatamatisi. Uyayibona into yakho?
Ngicabanga ukuthi kunjalo manje manje angithi uFebju ukhupha imali yesigwetja ngithi uzabaza imali yesigwetja babuya. I might tell you something. Mina kulabantu abangitshela okay so reveal Lexus.
But anyways, yeah. It is what it is. I hope this is a lesson for life. If you do good, it goes unnoticed. But when you do bad, everybody notices.
Mina, my last words on behalf of Abogweja, nomphakathi wakoBulawayo. These guys baxolisile and we have to understand. Ukuthi baxolisile. Sibe grand labo.
Not ukuthi sesiyaba.
But on the closing note,
no.
On the closing note,
samukuba grand labantu.
On the closing note, guys, respect iqhathekile. So ma comment section besitshela ngabo nyoko. You don't know.
Yeah, yabona kuma comment section lapho soxabana lapho. Kuma comment section lapho soxabana lapho. Lento ukuthi ungathi udakwe lento idakile usubuzo udakela kithi.
Mina let me tell you.
I'm scared of none of you. I'm scared of Napat.
The reason why I apologize.
I respect you. But it's not like ngiyalisaba kuma comment section ulibambe lapho comment into yakho ebheda kushaya impamela ama chips uthatha zigcwala igama lonke.
Mina if it kungabuya kimi umuntu ecomment anything ethi what inhlamba siqeda 99 ngiyakutshela soyiqeda 99
njengamadoda face to face.
99 thank you Lifestyle Podcast for having me.
Febji, yes sir.
Febji, danke njalo.